Shichōng community in the southern Chinese metropolis of Shenzhen was awarded as an international dark sky community on Monday. According to International Dark Sky Association, an international dark sky community is a town, city, municipality, or other legally organized community that has shown exceptional dedication to the preservation of the night sky through the implementation and enforcement of a quality outdoor lighting ordinance, dark sky education, and citizen support of dark skies. Being the first international dark sky community in China and the second in Asia, Shichōng is located at the southeast end of Shenzhen and covers an area of about 10.9 square kilometers.
西冲社区的话呢，它有一个天然的一个地理优势。西冲它离深圳市区的话，大概有60多公里的一个距离，而且它的地形呢是三面环山，西面、北面和东面它是山脉，南面临海。这个山和海的话呢，就对深圳市区的一个这样一个光污染形成一个天然的一个屏障。
It has long been popular among astronomical enthusiasts for years, attracting stargazers to come and observe the stars. In August 2021, local authorities began to build a dark sky community in Shichōng. In over a year, lighting facilities in the community were upgraded and environmental standards for it were built. The Shenzhen Astronomical Observatory is also located here. Efforts to build the international dark sky community have effectively reduced the night sky brightness for the observatory and facilitated astronomical observation and research.
Shichōng joins a handful of other dark sky communities. All these communities share so many values. They understand and demonstrate that urbanization and night sky protection can go hand in hand. Adopting dark sky principles and practices for urban lighting supports green development while retaining the coexistence of humans and nature in our cities.